Ever stared at a spreadsheet that feels more like a digital maze than a set of data? Messy column names, inconsistent formats, and numbers that just do not add up? Here's the good news. You do not need to write a single line of code to turn that chaos into a clean, interactive dashboard. Today, I'm going to show you how the AI inside Excel and Google Sheets does the heavy lifting for you, cleaning your data, finding trends, writing formulas, and building charts. Let's dive in. We start where every real project starts, with a messy export. Take a look at this sales file. The column names are inconsistent. Customer name here, product capitalized there. Categories appear under different spellings. The revenue column mixes numbers, spaces, and formats. There are blanks and dates written two different ways. This is the messy reality of real-world data, and it's exactly where AI shines. Step 1. Clean up those column names. In Excel, use the Clean Data tool, or ask Copilot to standardize your headers. In Google Sheets, open the Gemini sidebar and ask it to tidy up and rename your columns. And just like that, CUSTNM becomes customer name, and rev becomes revenue. Consistent, readable, and ready to work with. Next, let's group our categories. Our sheet lists a dozen product names that really belong to just 3 families. Ask the AI to group them, and it writes a formula that buckets every product into the right group. Now, instead of a scattered list, we have 3 clean categories we can actually analyze: widgets, gadgets, and accessories. Now for the fun part, finding the trends. Here you ask, what are the key trends in this data? And the AI scans the whole sheet and surfaces the big picture for you. Revenue is up 24% quarter over quarter. The East region is growing the fastest. Widgets drive 62% of revenue. You get to spend your energy on the why, not on the hunting. Now, let's write the formulas. In Excel, type an equal sign, and Copilot auto-completes the right formula for you. In Google Sheets, type what you need in plain English, and Gemini writes it. But here's a warning, and I really want you to hear this. Always test an AI-generated formula on a few rows before applying it to the full sheet. Paste it into 1 or 2 cells, check that the numbers make sense, then run it across everything. AI is brilliant, but verify first. Once your formulas check out, let's build the charts. Ask the AI to show sales by month as a bar chart, and it picks the right chart type and inserts it in seconds. Aw, what used to take you 10 minutes by hand now takes a single sentence. A clean, readable bar chart appears, ready for your dashboard. And here's what makes this truly exciting. Google's newest Sheets capabilities let you create entire spreadsheets and interactive visualizations using natural language. You simply ask, and the sheet builds itself. One moment, you're typing a request. The next, you have a living, interactive dashboard. And the best part? The AI explains the results, so you understand the why behind every trend, and you can present it with confidence. So there you have it, messy data to a clean, interactive dashboard with 0 code. Clean your columns, group your categories, let AI find the trends, test your formulas, and build charts that tell your story. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a lesson. And drop a comment. What's the messiest spreadsheet you've ever had to face? I'll see you in the next video.